If you're a content creator, videographer, or photographer looking to add some flair into your images, I just may have something that you've been looking for. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of atmospheric effects with the Colbor CineFlare CF5, which is a portable fog machine designed for creators who want to add that extra cinematic touch to your visuals, or just a fun tool to add some special effects into your images. Whether you're shooting videos, taking photos, or at an event and you want to add that extra flair, this compact fog machine adds big results. Some of the key features here with this guy is going to be 40 watts of power, adjustable magnetic fan with RGB lighting, 10 minutes of high volume smoke, 25 different levels of adjustable smoke density, and a remote control. What sets the CineFlare apart from other fog machines is the tilting head that can be rotated 60 degrees to provide a better angle to dispense smoke. And this machine provides more smoke with using less fog juice. The current pricing of the CineFlare is $129 at its release and the time of making this video, which I believe is an affordable price point for creators on a budget. Now, Colbor did provide me this unit for this review, but like all videos on my channel, everything in this video is my opinion and what I think about the product. If you're new here, I'm Will. What's good? Dap your boy up. My goal with my channel is to be a resource to you guys to provide you with budget options when it comes to budget filmmaking gear, content creation, and budget tech. So if that's something you're into, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and hang out on future videos. Let's go ahead, jump into the unboxing to see what this all has to offer. Let's go. First thing you're gonna get out of your box is gonna be your warranty cards. The next thing is gonna be your user manual, which will give you all of the information needed to get this all set up, but watch the video, you won't need this. Next thing is gonna be your case for your fog machine. When you open it up, you got your gadgets all inside. First thing we'll take a look at is the top zipper part, and inside you have all of the accessories. So you got your flexible pipe accessory, tube adapter, 2 bent pipes, straight adapter, adapter cover, foam attachment, USB-C to USB-A charging cable, remote control. Next you got your fog juice, and this is gonna come with 60 milliliters, which is plenty to get you going. You have your magnetic fan and RGB light. Here is your chamber. And last but not least, here is your CineFlare CF5 fog machine. The Colbor CineFlare CF5 is compact and lightweight with portability in mind. It weighs less than a pound, making it super easy to carry on location or to events. At the bottom, you have a tripod mount, making this easy to attach to like a light stand. You got your USB-C charging port right here on the front. You got your LED screen, 4 buttons, button on the side. When you press it, you can then swivel this into a 90-degree angle, and now you kind of got like a smoke gun and you can shoot the smoke, pow pow, you know, kind of like that. And then at the top you have your nozzle where you can attach the accessories. Battery life lasts 30 minutes on 100% output, and the charge time is pretty fast, of 2 hours to go from 0 to 100. It also has a auto power off feature after 5 minutes of not being in use, which helps save your battery even longer. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up. You're gonna take your chamber, slide it into your device like so, and then you're gonna screw it in until it's kind of snug in there. Remove this rubber seal gasket right here on the top to fill in the juice. It is recommended to fill this halfway on your first use. To get the smoke going, you long press the fog button and instantly you can see some smoke. Super cool, right? I can tell this is going to be a foggy video. One thing to note is after 60 seconds of holding this down, this will shut off for 5 seconds and then you can re-smoke again. After 10 minutes of max output smoke, the CF5 will activate the overheat protection and stop. Changing the parameters on the device is actually like super simple. The first mode is like the density of the smoke. This is full amount of smoke. If I select this and move it down, and now you can see like the smoke is less dense. The next option on here is going to be the fan modes. So now you can get you know, a more thicker amount of smoke. There's 5 different levels of adjustment per parameter when it comes to smoke density and fan speed, so you can decide how you want the smoke to come out. The next mode here is the interval mode, and from here I can pretty much adjust the setting to go on and off, and then I can select my interview by pressing menu to select between the different options. I can basically make this say, hey, smoke for 30 seconds every 30 seconds and do this amount of times. If you were doing like a video shoot or a photo shoot or something, and you knew that you wanted this amount of smoke, you can then go in and set the interval on the menu, so that way you don't have to worry about the smoke machine anymore. When it comes to the fan, you have 3 buttons on it. The M is for like mode, and then you have the up and down arrows. When this is in red, that means you're adjusting the fan speed, and then when you tap it and it goes into green, then you're controlling the RGB lights. The fan has 3 different levels of speeds. Now we're gonna switch to the RGB lighting, and here it has 3 different levels of brightness. If I hold down the up arrow, it will cycle through some RGB colors. Notice it is safe because I've just been smoking my whole room out. It's very smoky in here, and like I'm breathing it in, it's okay. I'm not coughing. Even like the smoke, I could, you know, smoke on my hand. With some fog machines, the smoke feels hot. This doesn't carry any temperature. Say if I was outside and I wanted to create like a cold atmosphere, I can spray some smoke in here, so you can get the vibe that, you know, this is very hot. So I'm going to show you guys some examples of using this fog machine in action, using this one light from Colbor as well. This right here is their pocket light. This is a 100-watt light, and it's very convenient. This is the W100R series. This is RGB, so it does have colors, and I mean, like, it's super convenient in size. It's literally the size of my iPhone. Like, I mean, it's like super comparable when it comes to size. Comes with this diffusion. This is 3% of light. This does have bicolor modes, and it can also go into RGB mode as well. Let me know if you guys want to see a full review on this light right here, and I'll be happy to do so. My goal here now is to take this one light, take the fog machine, and create a cinematic video for you guys to see this thing in use and show you some other examples of using it. Let's go. Those are like some things that you can expect when adding fog machines to your production. I think it really adds that extra level of production value. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite look out of all of the scenes that we did with this fog machine and the W100R series 100-watt RGB light. I think this light is on maybe like 5% or something. For filmmakers, this is perfect for adding depth and drama into your scenes. Photographers will love this to enhance light rays and create that dreamy atmosphere. And if you're into events, this little fog machine can take your setup to the next level. Now let's break down some pros and cons of using the CineFlare CF fog machine. So the first pro is going to be the compact size. Super lightweight, can easily fit in my camera bag. The 25 different adjustable levels of density allow you to really dial in the look that you're going for when it comes to the fog. Another pro is going to be your remote control, of course, and the affordable price point for creators on a budget. There's not really a bunch of cons that I have with this, but some things that I will consider. Tank size could be a little limiting to some creators. Now, I've been testing this out for a few weeks using this, And I actually never filled this up to the top, and I still have mad juice left. My last con with this is like, it does leave a little residue, but they all do. All of my cons, I feel like I'm just trying to be picky and find something. All around, like, I really don't have any cons. Everything with this is a pro to me, and I'm definitely gonna be using this in my production moving forward. So is the Colbor CineFlare CF5 worth it? Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you guys think about this? If you're a creator looking for an affordable, portable, and reliable fog machine to elevate your visuals, I say absolutely yes. It's not perfect, but for the price and performance, it's a solid investment. If you guys want to pick one of these up, I will leave a link down in the description. It will be an affiliate link, so if you use that, it will be helping me out. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I'm gonna holler at y'all next week in my next video. Can't even see me. Deuces.